So what's going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video. If you're new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button, come support, because we're on the road to 1K. Yes, sir. Anyways, guys, I just want to give you a quick update on the OBS. And I mean, I really haven't done anything to it except remember the sponsorship I got from Last Fit. So last time they only sent me 2 LEDs, well, the switchbacks or whatever, but like I think a couple of days ago, oh excuse me, I'm in pain, but I got the other 2 LED switchbacks, and I'm telling you, little small details matter. They count. Even if you don't think they're gonna make a difference, they do. And let me show you real quick. And excuse me, cause I'm in really bad pain right now, cause I can't really breathe right now. When I breathe, like my whole right side just hurts really bad. So I mean, I'm not in the best mood, but I'm trying to stay positive as much as I can. But let me show you real quick. Turn on the lights. Well, let me turn on the hazards real quick. See, look, man, I love that orange color so much, especially at night. Like, especially when I turn on the turn signals, they're extremely bright. See, I mean, right now, because I noticed whenever I turn on the running lights, the lights get a bit like more lightish, especially with the hazards. And whenever I turn on the turn signals, they get a bit more darker. I don't know, it's confusing, but at least I was able to fix my hazards problem, because usually just this would blink and this one wouldn't even work. But last time my truck, no, after I put on all the LEDs, when I turned on the hazards, and the hazards started making like a buzzing noise. So I guess I gotta get a new one, or I'm not really sure what happened with my truck. But I mean, that's pretty much what I've done to it right now, because you know, priorities come first, the truck comes second. But that's just a little badass little mod, if you want to call it. But yeah, like I said, I'm not feeling that well. I can barely breathe. No, it's not. What? Oh man, I got creeped out right now. I'm tripping. No, I'm not. I don't have corona. I'm just in bad pain right now. I'm trying to stay positive, like I said. But I think hopefully this, I'm not sure if Saturday or Sunday, I might go to the Junkyard with the homeboy, the one who has the back OBS, because I'm gonna try to help him out, do a front end swap on his truck, because he's trying to switch up the whole front end or whatever, you know, a little project or whatnot. I'm trying to help him out. You know, I gotta help out all the homies. If I shine, they shine too, you know. That's just how it is supposed to be. Can't just keep doing everything by yourself or whatever, shining. But man, I keep walking around everywhere, but I can't stand in one place. The pain hurts. Max pain, drop your weapons. But and guys, I don't know when I'm gonna upload this, but tomorrow, which is November 5th, yeah, tomorrow is my birthday. Yeah, I'm gonna be 21, and I feel old as hell. 21 years old. Today's the last day being 20. Man, where have my years gone? Went from a teenager to a grown adult, full grown adult technically now. Damn, I'm old, man. But I don't know what I'm gonna do for my birthday. I'm not sure yet. I don't really celebrate my birthdays, because I mean, I don't know, it's well for me, it's just another basic day. All I know is I'm getting older, that's it, which that sucks. I wish I could get younger again, but oh well, that's not how life works. Yeah. Guys, one more thing, I think, I'm not sure yet, so don't get all excited, head ass, but I'm thinking of just buying the flip kit first, so I can lower down the truck a little bit more, because the 2.4 drop, I don't know, it's not, I mean, it kind of grew out on me already or whatever. I think that's the right term, I'm not even sure, but the 2.4 ain't good enough for me anymore, especially with the 22s. They lift up the truck a little bit more, and like, I don't know, I don't like it anymore. So I'm thinking of just getting the flip kit, at least do 6 inches in the back, because you know, I don't want to go way too low, because if I do, the skirts are gonna go all the way down, and I'm gonna have to be extra careful going on bumps. And like, you never know, if I'm speeding in case of an emergency or whatever, I might end up breaking the skirt. So I don't know, I still gotta measure, but I think 6 inches is the lowest I can go without damaging the skirts. And no, I'm not gonna take off the skirts, because that's pretty much what makes up my whole truck, like makes it unique or whatever. Because I don't really like OBS, well, some OBS trucks I really like with the without the skirts or whatnot. Getting all confused, but well, that's just my opinion. We all have different opinions or whatever, but yeah. And oh yeah, speaking of opinions, I need your damn it, keep stuttering, but I need you guys' opinion real quick. Okay, so I've been thinking about it and I'm not sure, because these mirrors I got 2 years ago, but they got all faded. I mean, I repainted them black, but I don't know, see all loose, missing the other screws. But okay, so I want to put back, or I don't know if I should put back the old bulky mirrors that the truck came with. I don't know if you guys know which ones I'm talking about, but I'm gonna see if I can post a picture here somewhere or whatever. But it's the mirrors that go like this, and I have the big bulky circle or oval, I think, whatever the hell there is, call it whatever. But that's the ones I want to put back on or whatever, because I want to give it like an old school look. Because these mirrors are like really outplayed now. Everybody has them, literally every OBS. It's kind of rare to see an OBS truck with the other mirrors that I'm talking about, especially with the truck fixed up, because usually the ones that I see are the ones with the work trucks or whatever, which are chrome. Mine are actually black. I'm thinking of just sanding them down and repainting them, or just getting brand new ones. But well, let me close the door so I can get a better idea or whatever. So imagine it with the other mirrors. Let me know, guys, what y'all think. Should I put back on the other mirrors or just leave these? Because I'm not sure. It's kind of a hard decision for me, because I got tired of the other ones, but now I kind of miss them. And speaking of changing stuff, I'm thinking of just getting new headlights. Because look, I don't know if you can tell in camera, but all of this is, the clear coat is just peeling off. Plus these aren't even clear anymore. These are like yellowish or whatever. And then my turn signal housings or whatever, look, all of this is peeling off. The clear coat is bad. This one, corner one, I don't even know how the hell this happened. This one got cracked after I got my truck repainted or whatever. The day I picked it up, I noticed it was cracked, so I guess it was the people over there. I don't know, they don't even be caring or whatever. And the same with this one, clear coat, especially this one. This is the worst one. See? Ooh, wait. Horrible. I mean, this was in decent condition, but, or I don't know. I'm thinking of, I don't even know, to be honest. Thinking of just getting the bottom ones and just leaving these, but these are gonna look mad new and these are gonna look old, bro. I don't even know anymore. I might just leave them on there or whatever. And I still haven't even wired up the fog lights, so I just been busy with other stuff, but we're gonna get there soon, guys. Just trust the process. I'm not in a rush. I'm taking my time. Patience is key. But imagine it like 2 more inches down or whatever in the back. The front, I think I'm gonna leave it like that, because I'm really satisfied with the front. Just 2 inches in the front. I think it was the springs. Yeah, that's it. And in the back, I just got the shackles and the hangers, but that's not good enough for me anymore. The truck is like, whenever I have the 15s on, it sits down more. And the reason I only went with 2 forged at first was because I was trying to go for that 90s look with the old rims, but I was like, you know what, I think I'm gonna just switch it up and get 22s, especially with the IROCs, because I really love IROCs. Classic look on the OBS. But that's just my opinion. We all have different opinions, but that's just mine. Sorry, I had to turn on the truck real quick. But yeah, like last week I went to the junkyard to pick some stuff up for the Tahoe, like for some missing pieces or to repair them or whatever. I picked up man, what is it called, sun visor, and just some other little extra stuff like stepper motor for the cluster. And I finally found the fuse cover or whatever for my OBS. Look, let me show you. So I was at the junkyard and I found the cover, literally the exact same color as my dash. Bro, like as soon as I found it, I yanked it out. I was like, gee, I'm getting this for sure. So now, boom. Cause it used to be like that. I hated it, but man, to be honest, I didn't even know the trucks came with a cover, honestly. But after looking at doing some research, I was like, oh, my trick's missing it. So I got it. Finally, guys. Oh, and before I end the video, I forgot. If you guys have a HD grill for a 2002 Chevy or whatever, please hit me up, because I'm trying to get the HD grill for the Tahoe. Because you guys know, if y'all saw my Instagram, I'm already working on it. I'm fixing all the mechanical issues. Well, I was gonna start on the looks first, but something happened to the Tahoe, which I gotta fix. But you know, the things I do to the cars are fix mechanical issues first, then the looks come second. But yeah, if you guys have an HD grill, just let me know, hit me up on my Instagram. But yeah guys, I just want to make a quick update video, because I know a lot of people have been missing my OBS on the channel, especially because I haven't even shown it that much. And I just been doing the skits. I've mostly been focusing on trying to put myself out there on Instagram with the skits or whatever, because usually I post the full versions on there with the copyrighted music, because you know I can't put copyright music on the videos here on YouTube, because I'll get my videos deleted, or I'll get struck down or whatnot. But make sure to go follow me at Easy Does It. I'll put it somewhere right here, and follow my truck page at Just Tucking. I'll put it right here or whatever. And if you guys want to get featured on that page, make sure to hit me up, or the page or whatever, the other one, the Just Tucking, and we'll get you featured. I'll post you out there. But yeah, just a quick update video. Right now I'm gonna do another skip video real quick or whatnot. And whew, running out of breath, because it hurts when I breathe. No, I don't have corona, that's just but yeah, you guys, that's gonna be for this video. Hope you guys stay safe out there. Be careful, especially right now with the election going on. Trump supporters are going crazy. Not that I have nothing against them or whatever. We all have our own beliefs, opinions or whatever, but just stay safe out there. For just, I don't know. But yeah, stay safe out there, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.